This is the 59 Cadillac Coupe Deville dash cruise control switch assembly. So as you can see, you have the lock nut in here, okay, which holds this. The only thing that you will need to reuse are the two screws that mount in here to mount to the dash. Okay. This is the switch itself, as you can see, very clean. Okay. It's this way. And again, as you can see, this is very nice. Just a couple average light scratches, but the chrome itself is in excellent condition. As you can see, it has a nice shine. No major pitting. Okay, and has the black backer with the copper ring. The knob is also in excellent condition. Again, as you can see, no major pitting. The set screw is deep inside there. I don't know that you can see it. Okay, and then the rubber washers. So washers go on. This goes on. Making sure you line up. I'm not going to push it all the way in yet, but these tabs will lock it in. Okay, and then the knob goes on, and there's your assembly.